Today I wish to start by mentioning Tuas Power's newly launched green consultancy services, an extension of the Tuas Power Green Program. It is really a very good example of what PCA has been advocating in our green building program, that if green considerations were taken into account from day one, we stand a much better chance to achieve the most cost-effective results in green buildings. Indeed, for the basic Green Mark certified rating, it could be cost neutral. And this is not fiction, it is backed up by actual cases, actual design. So it is really very useful to have a comprehensive green design team on board early to take an integrated and holistic approach to green building design. So with green consultants joining the design process from day one through the green consultancy services, the opportunity to incorporate green thinking and design can be maximized, and chances of achieving cost-effective solution could be enhanced. So I applaud Tuas Power for its forthcoming efforts as an environmentally friendly corporation to work with its business partners to contribute to the sustainable development of Singapore. The Tuas Power Green Program, launched in September last year, aims to encourage companies to undergo energy audits to improve the energy efficiency of their existing buildings. I understand that more than 10 companies have participated in this program to identify suitable energy conservation measures through energy audits, and will be receiving the awards this morning. My congratulations to the award winners on taking that first and critical step to turn the existing asset green and more valuable. I must make special mention of the building that we are in now, and you'll be learning about it later today, and that's the National Library Board building. This is an excellent example of a high-performing green project that involves a high degree of collaboration among key stakeholders and the design team early on in the design process. For its outstanding environmentally friendly design, it was conferred the PCA Green Mark Platinum Award in as early as 2005. And I understand that the NLB building has recently undergone an energy audit. And the actual EEI, the Energy Efficiency Index measure, was 148 kilowatt hours per meter square per year, lower than what was predicted at the design stage. Overall, I was told the NLP building achieved about 36% energy savings compared to a code-compliant building. And this translates to a saving of about 1 million Singapore dollars a year. You will also see how a building that has achieved high green design standards can still be pushed beyond the boundaries to achieve even greater energy performance during the operation stage. I think in the last few days, you might have read that PCA had an international panel of experts, the IPE, to come and review our green building master plan and recommend directions to accelerate the adoption and proliferation of green buildings in Singapore. I wish to take this opportunity to share with you 4 key insights that arose from the very vigorous discussion last week with the IPE. As the existing building stock constitutes the main bulk of the end-use electricity consumption in Singapore, the IPE agreed that the real focus and challenge now lie in improving the energy efficiency and environmental performance of these existing buildings. The fact that existing buildings are almost literally cast in stone is in itself a challenge to upgrade the building performance, but at the same time presents many opportunities for energy savings. This brings me to the importance of gearing our facility management industry for the new challenges to maintain green development and to transform existing buildings to more energy efficient ones in the most cost-effective manner. To equip our facility management firms with the knowledge and skills to maintain green buildings, our BCA Academy has introduced specialized training courses for Green Mark managers and Green Mark professionals, which have been, I must say, very well received, and will be soon launching new courses such as Sustainable Facility Management Solutions. And at this juncture, it gives me great pleasure to share with you that the suite of academic programs offered by BCA Academy to educate the industry on sustainable development has been highly commended by the IPE and dogged by the expert panel as world-class. Going forward, we will further expand our training to equip our building management professionals with skills to sustain the operation of Green Mark projects after certification. With regard to improving the energy performance of existing assets, the IPE shared with us that 10% or more energy saving can be achieved really quite easily through long-term behavioral change of building occupants. The IPE also encouraged the concept of green leases to be adopted here so that tenants are committed to achieving overall environmental sustainability objectives for the property. We should bear in mind that energy conservation is not just about installing the most energy efficient building systems, but it needs to be coupled with the efforts taken by the occupants to embrace energy conservation practices and habits. To the building owners and managers in this room, I urge you to draw up a comprehensive awareness program to educate the occupants on the action they could take to reduce energy and water costs daily, and to articulate the environmental goals set for your own building. Of course, we should also recognize the occupants who make a special effort to conserve resources. Lastly, in view of the current strong green building movement in Singapore, the IPE agreed that Singapore, with the right policies and collaboration between the government, the industry, and the people sector, has great potential to establish herself as the leader for tropical green building design and management. This is indeed very encouraging for all of us. And I believe that when other countries in the tropics begin to recognize Singapore as the leader in green buildings in the tropical belt, there will be many exciting business opportunities in store for all our companies here. Finally, it is my pleasure to be here and to know that we have the support of industry stakeholders like yourself in our quest to face up to the challenges of climate change and to establish ourselves as the green building leader in the tropics. I wish all of you a very fruitful morning. Thank you very much.